are running mad late. And then we're behind somebody's grandma this morning. Like, what you got going on, grandma? Because you really in the way. Everybody passing her. The minivans passing her. Like, come on now. Come on. You know you're driving slow when the minivans are passing you. The minivans, if they go before you, you driving too slow. Okay? We are like stupid late. Like, we're not late to the point where they're late for school or anything like that, but we are like, we were supposed to have been in line like at least. Alright, y'all, welcome back for Vlogmas day 2 with us. Okay, after I drop them off, I'm about to head to the gym. You said what, baby? This says baby, but this stuff don't smell like babies to me. Y'all, it is literally that time of year, child. You gotta put on Vaseline so you out here like, baby, so you're not looking dry and crispity and crunchity. And oh, you shiny though, like shiny. Oh my goodness, jeez. Okay, where's your mask?
Hope we're not late.
We're not that late. I mean, you're on time, but you're late at the same time. Like, you literally have to go straight to class. What are you doing, Jordan?
My eyebrow had put stuff on it. I could put on it. So I'm gonna rub it in so I can look shinier. No, I look shinier in the thing.
Off the juice. Got me.
This boy's like, what are y'all doing?
It doesn't matter.
Ice. Lemonade, my neck was dripping. I don't know why I like this little stupid song.
How are you?
Oh, you take the
Half good.
Are you sure I want that little scarf?
You ready? All right, sweet girl.
Thank you. Have a good day, y'all.
Y'all have a good day, okay?
Hi. I have no idea whose kid that was just waving at me. Like, we friends. Like, hi, bud. What's up? But yeah, I'm headed to the gym now. And actually, I forgot my water. I don't have no water. I don't have nothing for energy. And y'all, I stayed up for a good little minute last night editing the video for today. My video, it was like pre-recorded kind of sorta, but I hadn't even started editing. And yeah, it was a mess. Okay, it was a whole mess. So I stayed up pretty late. I didn't want that to be a part of what I was doing today because I got stuff to do. I don't have time to be editing like today, you know. I pretty much already accepted the fact that I'm going to be up late for a majority of the month. I've already accepted it, but it's good. I'm coming through. I'm going to do it. I'm going to do what I said I was going to do, okay? And this year, the plan is to stay on track way better than last year, okay? So as long as I at least stay a day ahead or so-ish, I should be fine. And I know you're like, how are you gonna stay more than a day ahead? It's just how. But it's gonna be more than just vlogs within this. It's gonna be majority vlogs now. Don't get me wrong. It's gonna be majority vlogs. However, it's gonna be more than just vlogs. It's gonna be like a couple sit down videos and that type of thing in between, so that way I can just keep up with what's going on. But really, y'all, I have commitment issues when it comes to posting something every single day, y'all. Oh, baby, it's the skin for me, okay? Period.
Hey, Bill, I'm in the mood for a switch up. I hit the function, hit the rose till I hiccup. I hit the stage and leave with money that's a stick up. She picture perfect, so I told him I'm a flick up. Bill, I'm in the mood for a change up. I leave the city and return with my change up. Straight to the stage, they love me. I understand they hungry, but please don't hate, that's ugly. I've been sliding, shaking, moving. I've been popping in my city. Shawty say she love the way we do it with me. I be too turned up to ever give a fuck. I ain't come to argue, let a nigga fuck. They been talking pennies, I need bigger bucks. About to catch a flight, I need to switch it up. Got that black boy joy, might do my dance on him. Take no disrespect, might put my hands on him. Hit this chicken, now she wanna marry me. But she gon' need some closure and some therapy. Came back to the city with my bank account on F. Giving rappers hell, I know they happy that I left. Hit the south in winter, I just put down my deposit. 82 degrees, I left that jacket in my closet. Bill, I'm in the mood for a switch up. I hit the function, hit the rose till I hiccup. I hit the stage and leave with money that's a stick up. She picture perfect, so I told him I'ma flick up. Bill, I'm in the mood for a change up. I leave the city and return with my change up. They got amnesia, don't remember how they played us. They wanna knock me down, but somehow I just stay up. Hey, look, came in with the what's that? Left out with the who she? Laying game like 2D, I been kicking shit like Bruce Lee. Margarita to the brim tip, black denim need a slim fit. Same people that I flex with be the ones that I'm in the gym with. I'm a living legend, you a dead cause, and I'm dead ass. No, I'm dead right. Leaving early, but I'm early night. Long and short to keep the head right. Teed up out in Malibu, got sand all in my...
Can't even lie, y'all. Day one was straight uphill. So when you take 1 or 2 days off, it's fine. But like when you start to take, what? How many days did I have off? 9? Yeah, when you take like 9 days, baby, you're done. Like, who you think you are? Child, I am so glad that I am not one of those people that gets like stinky or whatever after going to the gym, because I haven't had time to take the first shot. Like, girl, I haven't had time to take a shower, y'all. Like, what in the world? So y'all, my vlog from yesterday is literally giving me a run for my money, okay? Like, it is giving me a run for my money. I really wanted to film from my phone though, so I could edit and possibly sometimes upload too on the go, and it will be cool, whatever, but I see right now that this ain't even about to be what I thought it was about to be. So I need to get a couple days ahead, first of all. Like, yeah, I'm gonna have to do something, and hopefully I figured it all out if y'all seeing this, because I'm still recording from my phone. I'm recording from my phone today too, because like I said, it's just easier. And then I went to the gym today, so I didn't want to take a camera in the gym. It's just a lot, y'all. It's a lot. So hopefully everything works out the way it's supposed to work out, and then I'll be good. But child, it was giving me a run for my money. And I also had to take another test today. I think my last one is tomorrow, which is perfect. So I could be done with that, get that out the way, and I could just work and be, girl. Y'all, it's been a mess. But I'm not gonna sit up here for 5 whole minutes and freaking rant like I haven't already. Okay, I'm gonna go. Bye. Child, it be the lip gloss sticking to the mask for me, okay? Like, why? Every time I put on lip gloss, I be like, why did you do that, stupid? Child, don't go to the grocery store hungry, okay? Like, just don't do it. Don't do it. Don't be me. Don't. Because, y'all, I was in there. I literally had to stop myself from buying cake. Like, it's getting out of hand, y'all. It is. So I bought one of these little cold pressed juice blends instead. This one has apple, pineapple, carrot, mango, passion fruit, and lime. I know it's not much better, especially on sugar content. Jeez, but it's not cake and ice cream, because that's what I wanted. Wow, it tastes really good though. Y'all, I literally forgot that I was cooking, but this looks so good. Yes, sir. Boy, people wear their mask when they want to go to TJ Maxx, okay? She'll never have her mask, y'all. And then today I asked her, did she have her mask? She has her mask because she wanted to go to TJ Maxx. Isn't that something? It be like that, boy. 10-year-olds.
These days.
I want to make them feel like they gotta Girl, it is almost Christmas. Why are you asking me for stuff?
I want boots.
Those aren't even the same boots. No. Those are not those. Those are ugly shoes. Them not the shoes you had on the other day. It was these. These shoes are ugly, Jaylee. These look like somebody's grandma's shoes. What is that? They look like little leprechaun shoes.
Okay, my shoes are still here. And I have extra shoes. So I'll be good. Okay? She kept on begging. I did not. You want to say no to?
Y'all are too old.
We're too old.
You're too old. Like, why y'all doing that?
You just wanted to.
Y'all look crazy. Y'all, this was a whole fail and a waste of time. A waste of time. Alright, y'all, so we made it back home. We are about to eat, and yeah, we're about to go ahead and close out this vlog. So
Little Missy just got back from dance. It's a and
y'all gonna say something, or y'all just gonna look?
bye, guys. Peace.
All right, we'll see y'all tomorrow.
Real hot girl I gotta stank, walk, walk, walk.